In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze rows in Excel. So what you want to do is simply have some data in here. I just typed in hey in all of them, just for this example. And then you want to select the rows you want to freeze. So let's say I would like to freeze the first 6 rows. Now you can only freeze the rows from 1 and then to whichever number you like. Okay, you can't just simply freeze, let's say, from 3 to 6. It doesn't work like that. However, you can freeze, let's say, from 1 to 6, from 1 to 7, 8, and whatever you want to, okay? And the way you do this is very simple. You have to select the row or the cell below where you want to freeze. So let's say I want to freeze from 1 to 6. You want to select one of the cells or the entire row below it. So the 7th row, and then it will freeze from 1 to 6, okay? It will freeze everything above. And what you then want to do is go to the View tab up here, look for the Freeze Panes, click on it, and then click Freeze Panes. And as you can see, there's a thin gray line down here, down below the 6th row. And then if I scroll down, as you can see, 1 to 6, the rows stay frozen, okay? And that's exactly how you do it.